about the names of God, right? But now we're talking about the name of Jesus. So in the last lesson, we discussed that Jesus' first name was Son of God, and another name for Jesus is the Great Physician.
Up, down, up. Is that what it says?
Yeah, high five. Okay. People in Capernaum said to one another, "Let's go see him." They filled the house where Jesus was staying. People even stood outside the door looking in. Teachers and leaders had come to listen to Jesus too. So, what does this mean? Doctors help us get well when we are sick. What is your doctor's name? Your first name? They also promise to always do what is best for sick people who come to them for help. You would be.
Thank you, hi, God.
Thank you, God,
For
for
all the food
all the food
and the earth
and the earth
and the plants.
and the plants. Amen.
Why are you recording me?
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Or hello if you're new, hello.
We got fish.
Yeah,
I just need to wear panties.
it's a busy day.
I just got wear panties.
Okay guys, today is a busy day already. If you don't know, now you know. If you follow me on Instagram, I've talked about we have been positive with COVID over the past 12 days. I think we've had 12 days of the illness, something like that. I don't know off the top of my head right now.
It's the top of the day of 20.
Yeah, and sorry, I still have a cough, like it's still like lingering. But we're pretty much on the tail end of the illness. We are still stuck in quarantine right now. We are not allowed to leave our home. My husband caught the illness after me. I was the first one, and it trickled to him a few days later. So
And then we come
until his
down
quarantine is
like-
up, and we are 24 hours free of any symptoms, we can't go anywhere. So we have been locked up in our house this entire time. And we haven't homeschooled that entire time, and today is the first day where I feel good enough that we can do it. Partly I didn't want to just spread the germs, virus. I didn't want to spread the virus down here on our school stuff, so we really try to stay away from down here as much as possible. And the girls have completely stayed out of sensory bin play and things like that because we just don't want to risk opening up those containers and them getting contaminated possibly before we disinfect this house. So we've really stayed away from this area, and today is the first day I feel comfortable coming down here and doing school. Yeah, I figured I would have you guys follow along with us as we are getting through this whole COVID isolation and getting back to school. Baby's trying so hard to be quiet right now. I won't. What? Oh, Lena. My daughter changed her name to Lena today. You trying to come up with a name too?
How about Bana? That's a match. No. I'm a Matt.
You're a Matt?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. She changed her name to Matt. Okay.
No.
But like I was saying, I just wanted to bring you guys along and do a little vlog. It's been a while since I've done like a day in the life vlog with homeschooling, so here we are. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you like these kind of vlog style videos for homeschool, so I know to make more in the future if that's what you like. And the subscribe button is there for all you brand new people, right down below that red button. All right, let's get on to language arts is what we need to do now. Just tell me what you're doing here. What is this?
Oh, it's fish buttons.
Fish buttons.
It's food.
Oh, fish food? Okay. What do you need? Are you all done? Okay. Clearly we need a vacuum down here. It's a mess.
That one.
You need to play with what?
I want to play that one.
That one? Okay. Well, you're going to have to wait, okay? All right. I need you guys to go ahead and clean this up so we can start, Viv. Pretty cool. You tucked each fish in. It's a little fish food thing.
It's buttons.
Fish buttons, okay. So the first thing we're going to do, if you notice, we're going to read the first story out of there. Yay! Is about Cobweb the cat. You ready?
Hey, look, that's my sister's name.
It is. Good job. All right. First, let's go ahead and read these words. Okay.
This is.
Hold on. Okay, I'm glad you're reading. Hold on, you're skipping ahead too far. All right. So repeat after me. Do.
Do.
Windmill.
Windmill.
Bobcat.
Bobcat.
Drumstick.
Drumstick.
Sunset.
Sunset.
So what does that say?
Cobweb the cat.
Good.
This is Cobweb. This Cobweb has to clean.
He has to what?
Clean?
Nope. Try again. Let's sound it out. CH, make the sound.
Check.
Yeah, there you go.
At 6, Cobweb has to check the milk that the milkman left. Then Cobweb has to fix the bathtub. What is it? Is this drink?
Sound it out. It's a compound word.
That's really big.
It is. Let's break it up because it's 2 words. Where would the first word be? Good job on breaking that up. Can you read that to me?
Drumstick.
Drumstick. Good job. All right, here's the activity. And I have these cards. You're going to read the cards and you're going to decide if they're fantasy or real. If they're real, you place them next to the kitty. If they're not, you place them to the side, okay?
Check the milk.
So a cat can't check the milk in real life?
No.
No.
Hang a wet rug. No.
No, he can't do that.
Dust the desktop.
Can a cat do that? No.
Jump and hunt.
Oh yeah, cats love to do that. Good job. High five.
Like 2 things he's done.
Yeah, because cats can't really do all this. Do you know what we call this when we claim they do things that humans do? There's a big word for it. Do you know what we call it? In literature, we call that personification.
I need to watch Buzz.
You need to watch Buzz. I'm going to set Sissy up to do her math, and then I will help you with your activity, okay?
Wait.
Oh. So once again, we are counting it by 5s. Okay, let's skip counting today.
Skip counting by 5.
But in case you need any of this, it's right here, okay? So I'll help you with the first one here. Beautiful. What's the next one? Beautiful. So just keep counting by 5s, okay? Keep adding 5s. All right, so time to work for you. Uh-oh, your cards are upstairs. Uh-oh. Let's go get your cards. Keep working. Okay, move to another page, and I'll come help you. Just do what you can, and I'll come help you, okay? You have to start getting independent working, baby. Okay? Go to the next page, find something you do know how to do. Okay? Ready? What shape is that? A heart. Good job. What is that?
A rectangle.
Rectangle. Good.
Shape.
What shape?
Mama. Shape. Triangle.
Triangle. Good job. What is this?
Shape.
What shape?
Shape.
What shape?
Shape.
It's oh. It's that shape over there. What shape is that?
A circle.
A circle. Good. Do we know this one? It's tricky. It has 5 sides.
What a pentagon.
Oh, this one's not on the carpet. It has 5 sides. Do you know what it's called?
Pentagon.
Pentagon. Yeah, good job. Okay. You saying hi?
Hi.
All right.
Name is Lena. No. Name is Max.
Name is Max. All right, baby, go do your math. Savvy, sit down. All right, let's name some animals. What is this?
A ladybug.
A ladybug.
A fox in the house.
It is a fox in the house. It's a fox.
A caterpillar.
It's a caterpillar. And what is that?
A pig.
A pig. What sound does a pig make?
He's on outside.
Good job.
Hippopotami.
It's close. It kind of looks like a hippopotamus, but that is, we see the horns? That's a rhinoceros. Yeah, he looks very similar to a hippo. Oh, speaking of that, what's that guy?
That's That one
is a what?
Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus.
I love that you know the answers. Let's let Sissy answer, okay? A hippopotamus. So this is a rhino, and this is a hippopotamus, okay? Good job. So I just finished with Savvy. As you see, her schooling is really simple. She's still 2 years old. You guys, hold on. She's still 2 years old, so she doesn't need a ton. So all we're working on right now is...
Max. Name is Max.
So all we're working on with her is shapes, and I use the Silly Goose flashcards. They're interactive. They're really great for a lot of ages, actually. So I highly recommend her company. I'll have it linked below. And then also we work on language for her. So you saw us doing animals, which yes, I mean, that's something you can work on, obviously, identifying animals. But the main focus for this is language, so that we can help her just further develop her language by getting familiar with words and how to say them.
Mom, I'm a Max.
Ooh, okay. And these were just some flashcards from the Target dollar area, the dollar bins. They're bin on brand.
Max.
Okay. And they were $1 for these. So
I got them.
every time I turn on a camera, they're nuts.
I'm zipping my mouth now.
All right. So I'm gonna go help Vivi with her math. I'm trying to help her get more independent with math because she's quite good at it.
My mouth.
But she just, the confidence isn't there, so we're working on that part. But all right, let's work on math. All right, we just had a toddler meltdown as expected every day. She's working with some magnets here, and she's going to, what are you going to do?
Hey.
She is using these magnet manipulatives here, obviously, and this will keep her busy for quite some time. She loves this, and I will link this down below too. This was an Amazon find. Small pieces, forewarning, obviously. Pay attention to your kid with small pieces. All right, so let's go back to that first page. Do we need to remember what, do we need to say out loud what the counting by fives is? You ready? Oh, you're doing good so far. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20. Well, it goes 5, 0, 5, 0. So what would be next? That's a 5. 5 is what belongs on this side, though. Okay, so a 2 is a backward C with a line. Okay. Just do it again. Are you already done? Wow, you usually play this for a long time. Go get the box for Mama.
I just need to play that one. I
Backward
just
C.
need to play that one.
That's a forward C. Backward C.
Hey, Daddy,
What do you need?
that one.
What is that one? Can you use your words, please, to tell me specifically what you need? This you can't have. You can have this if you want. You want this? Do you want paper and crayons? Let's get back to this for the third attempt here. All right, ready?
5, 10, 15, 20, 35.
Uh-huh.
I don't know what comes after
Well, what number would come after 3?
4.
Yeah, so 4, 0 is what?
4.
Mm-hmm. All right, what's the next number?
40.
Good job. And it says, look at the picture carefully and put an X on the one that is different. So which of those pictures is different on the top row? Beautiful. Why is that one different?
It's that way, but it has a line and a cross.
Mm-hmm. So these ones are up and down and this one's side to side? Yeah. All right, so put an X on the one that is different.
Down.
Yes, and you finish this page. I think that we're gonna go ahead and call it a day for math because your brain's pretty fatigued, I think, where we took the long break. All right.
My brain's like this.
That's what your brain's like? Show everybody what is it like? Oh yeah, you're showing them your teeth. Vivi has lost like 3 teeth this month. Her brain is fatigued like that. That's so funny. All right, so we are going to call it a day for math. She did 3 pages of math, and I think she had the hang of this, but we were just learning skip counting by 5 right before I caught, was right before? No, we took a break from math. I don't remember why, but long story short, it's been a minute since we've done this. Her brain is just like, what is going on? So we have to retrain her to understand skip counting by 5. So I'm gonna give her a break today and we'll start fresh tomorrow because because sometimes that's all you need. You just need a fresh start. So we're gonna stop there, and I think we're gonna do some art. Savannah is upstairs being a toddler, doing what they do. She's throwing a lot of fits today, so that's fun for me.
She didn't get enough of sleep last night.
Did she not go to sleep?
Not for a while.
Yeah, Savannah is a party animal at night, that's for sure.
And I'm just a sleepy little cat.
Okay, she doesn't sleep either.
Night.
All right, so we are going to, I think we're going to do some art, and I think we're gonna call it a day. You wanna do some art?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do some art. Okay.
And then we can draw the bottom, that part that's going into the hot chocolate, a little curve. If we ever go too fast or you need extra time to finish the step, now
I made it with the
around, back up, and connect on the other side. Yeah, erase those lines. Now let's draw the outside of our mug. Start here on the arm, and we're gonna come all...
I have my pencil.
Oh yeah, you need a switch. We're gonna draw the curve.
You already had
all
this.
around here. We're gonna leave a little space.
I'm gonna draw mine blue. I just want blue.
Marshmallow. It really looks like this.
See you soon. It's an extra.
All right, school is, we're calling it a day. I have a cranky toddler, a lot of dishes behind me because we haven't been able to clean being sick. And it's now 11:53, and I'm gonna make lunch for this cranky little toddler, so that will be what's next. Okay, just kidding, I forgot.
I'm gonna get hair.
I got some of these with our last grocery delivery as a lifesaver because of this. I knew it was gonna be like this recovering from COVID. So Lunchables it is to make it easy on us all.
Ooh, it's white. Don't whip it. You can't whip it. Can I
Do you want sauce on them? Hold on, let me put your sauce on them.
Oops, sorry.
Take the cheese off real quick.
Mmm, it's so yummy.
It's so yummy. Baby, come eat lunch.
Our Lunchables.
You want to do it yourself?
You're already ahead of me, huh? Already. It's good. Good. I can lick it off because it's my pizza. I got my germs on it. It's mine. Okay.
Turn on the light so I can talk to you guys.
Mama,
There it goes. What?
what is that?
It's an animal with a long neck. Okay, so our homeschooling is coming to a wrap for the day. I have a cranky toddler, so there's only so much I can actually do. The rest of the day is just spent with them exploring, playing, and doing learning on their own, which is very much still homeschooling. Kids are constantly learning all day long. Anyways, the suckiest part of this recovery is that, from COVID, is that I haven't been able to taste anything in 9 days, so I don't even know what I'm gonna make. I'm just gonna throw something together and eat it because I can't taste it anyways. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget, if you did enjoy it, to hit the thumbs up button. So I know to make more vlogs like this in the future. I don't do them too often, so if you like them, make sure that you let me know. And the subscribe button is there for all you brand new people, and I'd love to have you as part of our homeschool family on this channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have fun homeschooling. Bye.